How to eliminate cigarette smell from your home, detailed guide. You know how cigarette smell can be. It seems to linger in every nook and cranny. In this video, we'll provide tips on how to eliminate cigarette smell from your home. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Eliminate sources of cigarette smoke. Make sure that the areas where smoking takes place are well ventilated. If possible, smoke outside instead of indoors. If that isn't possible, open the windows when smoking. If possible, switch to smokeless tobacco products, such as electronic cigarettes. These products don't produce any smoke. Ensure that the smoked cigarettes are extinguished properly. We recommend that you use an ashtray. Don't forget to properly dispose of the smoked cigarettes. Always wash ashtrays with soapy water after use. Then, rinse with clean water before drying it with a clean cloth. This is important because the residual smoke particles can contribute to the smell. Therefore, washing the ashtrays will get rid of those particles. Open windows. As we mentioned earlier, you can do this while smoking. This is the best option. You can still open the windows after smoking. Opening your windows after smoking can help circulate the air throughout your home. It allows fresh air to enter and stale air, including the cigarette smell, to escape. If possible, try to open multiple windows throughout your home. The more windows you open, the better the chance of getting rid of the smell. It's also essential to open the windows for a long enough period of time. Try to keep them open for at least 15 minutes or longer if you can. Use air filters. Air filters, especially HEPA filters, can drastically reduce cigarette smell from the air. They are also effective at keeping pollutants from entering your home. Apart from just using an air filter, you need to change out the air filters regularly. This will keep cigarette smoke particles from recirculating in your home. Clean frequently. Cleaning your home regularly can help reduce cigarette smoke and its smell. How frequently you need to clean depends on how much smoking takes place there. If you have a smoker in your home, it's best to do a deep clean at least once a month. Then, do a light clean every week. Vacuum carpets, furniture, and curtains frequently. Doing this will remove cigarette particles that may have settled on these surfaces. Be sure to empty the vacuum after each use to get rid of any lingering odors. Walls and floors can also absorb cigarette smells. So, you need to clean them regularly. Let's start with the walls. The first step is to get rid of any visible dust. You can use a dry microfiber cloth to do this. Alternatively, you can use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment. Once the dust is gone, wash the walls with warm water and mild detergent. You can use a soft cloth or a sponge to do this. Make sure to rinse the walls with clean water afterward. Next, you'll want to tackle the floors. Depending on the type of flooring you have, your approach may differ. For hardwood floors, use a damp mop with mild detergent to clean them. Damp mops are the best choice for cleaning hardwood floors. This is because steam mops can damage the wood by causing it to warp or discolor. For tile and vinyl floors, use a steam mop to remove the cigarette smell. Steam mops can create steam that is hot enough to break down the molecules of cigarette smoke. This helps penetrate and lift the smoke particles from the tile or vinyl floors. Additionally, steam mops also sanitize the surface with heat. This can eliminate any bacteria or germs that could be causing the odor. You can apply heat to your tile and vinyl flooring to remove the cigarette smell, unlike carpeted flooring or clothing. This is because these floorings can resist the smoke smell better than carpets or cloths. Wash clothes. Clothing can absorb cigarette smoke, so it is important to wash any clothing that has been exposed. It's important to understand that cigarette smoke is made up of many different types of molecules. Therefore, you need a laundry detergent that is strong enough to break through those molecules. There are many detergents specifically designed for removing smoke smells. You can find our recommendation in the description and pinned comments below. You can add a cup of white vinegar to the wash cycle for better results. Vinegar is a natural deodorizer and can help reduce cigarette smells. Next, use the warm water setting that is safe for the fabric you're washing. Don't forget to add an extra rinse cycle. This will ensure that all detergent and smoke residues are removed. Apart from clothes, wash beddings, curtains, and other fabrics that may have absorbed the smell. For details on how to get rid of cigarette smell out of clothes, watch this video. How to get cigarette smoke smell out of clothes, quick guide. A link to it should be up on the top far corner of this video now. Deodorize soft surfaces. Soft surfaces, such as furniture, curtains, and carpets, are often the most susceptible to cigarette smoke smells. Liberally sprinkling baking soda on these surfaces can help absorb cigarette smells and neutralize them. After sprinkling the baking soda, allow it to sit for an hour. After an hour, vacuum the baking soda off the surface. For stronger odors, use a commercial deodorizer spray. To use these products, follow the instructions on the label. Use candles or incense. Using candles or incense can help mask cigarette smells and provide a pleasant aroma for your home. Make sure to use unscented varieties if you have allergies, as scented candles and incense may cause irritation. It is recommended that you open your windows and doors for a few minutes before using the candles or incense. This will allow any lingering cigarette smell to escape. Use essential oils. Using essential oils can help mask cigarette smell and provide a pleasant scent for your home. Choose from a variety of natural, non-toxic essential oils that are known for eliminating odors, such as lemon or orange. Add a few drops to a diffuser and place it in the areas of your home where the cigarette smell is most prevalent. Clean air vents. Air vents can become clogged with cigarette smoke particles. This can cause cigarette smells to linger in your home. Make sure to clean your air vents regularly. You can use a vacuum cleaner attachment to remove any dust and debris trapped in the vents. Replace furniture. Some furniture might have absorbed too much cigarette smell. This is usually the case if the smell has built up for a while. It's usually difficult to remove the smell from such furniture. Therefore, you might have to replace them. Seek professional help. If the cigarette smell persists in your home, it may be necessary to seek professional help. Look for an air quality specialist who can assess the level of cigarette smoke in your home and suggest effective strategies for eliminating the smell. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.